Good evening, friends. Welcome to our next tutorial of Canvas learning. Today we'll see how to create infographics using Canva. So we will search for the infographics. So as you can see, Canva gives us a lot of templates for the infographics, and they are also related to a theme. Suppose if I want to create it for education, illustration, business purpose, for high school, there are so many, themes in which Canva has already divided these topics. Suppose we need to do it for marketing. Marketing for what? For your business, for see a lot of templates for yoga, emotional healing, business growth, for perfumes, for cosmetic industry, for social media. So suppose we'll take it for today for health lifestyle tips. Okay, let's start that. You need to have the pro version to use this kind of templates, because this is a pro kind template. But here you can see it's very small and difficult to edit. So what we can do is we can maximize it. We can zoom it. Yes, now it's good, looks good. So these are the topics which they have already defined for us. Okay, if we want to add another page, we can easily add. If not, we can delete it. Okay, cool. And what we need to do is, okay, so first we need to change some style, right? We can't copy their styles as it is. So there are a lot of trending styles which they have already given to us. Like suppose, it looks cool. Yeah, this will relate to can you see it will using shuffle. This looks good. So if I want to change the font, I will go to the text. Using this, we can change the font. So we'll apply to it all. So this now looks pretty much uniform. And suppose if we want to change, suppose icons, then what we need to do is go to elements, avoid stress chronic. So to search for stress icon. Yeah, this looks good. So we need to delete this. We can go over there, apply it, resize it as per our template. Exercise. Just adjust it as per your requirements. Now we need to if you want to animate it, we can animate. Okay, so select this and it will show you up. Now this doesn't look cool. Let's try this. Yeah, this looks pretty much interesting. So just set it. If you want to set the timing to 4 seconds, 5 seconds, you can adjust. After that, you're done, then just download it. Done for the day. So in this way, you can create infographics for your business with a lot of animations feature, and using different text and graphics, you can change the whole look of your infographics. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, how to create different patterns using Canva. Thank you.